With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello guys, so today's question is, at constant volume on increasing temperature, the collision frequency increases. Collision frequency is directly proportional to temperature of the gas. Now see guys, in this question we have been given assertion and reason, and we have to tell whether assertion or reason is true or false, and whether the reason is correct or not. Now see guys, in this question we have been given assertion that at constant volume on increasing temperature, the collision frequency increases. Now see guys, if we increase temperature, if temperature is increased, then on increasing temperature we know that kinetic energy of the particle increases. So from here we can say that kinetic energy of particle increases. So if kinetic energy of particle increases, so from here we can say that velocity of particle also increases. Velocity of particle also increases. Now if velocity of particle increases, then more and more number of particles will collide with the wall. Then we can say that more and more number of particles will collide. So from here we can say that collision frequency increases. Collision frequency increases if our volume is constant, because if volume vary or volume start increasing, then collision frequency will not be increasing. So at constant volume we can say that on increasing temperature the collision frequency increases. So assertion is true. Now see guys, come to reason. Collision frequency is directly proportional to temperature of gas. Now see guys, this statement is false because it also depends, that is collision frequency also depends on several other factors like volume. If volume starts increasing, let us assume that this is the initial volume, and if after some time due to temperature the volume becomes this, that is V to 2V, then the collision frequency or the number of particles that start colliding does not increase due to increase in volume. So we cannot directly say that collision frequency is directly proportional to temperature of the gas. It also depends on some other factors. So correct option is option 3. That is assertion is true but the reason is false. So correct option is option 3. Thank you guys.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.